10 years after a massive earthquake devastated Haiti, destroying much of the capital, Port-au-Prince, and killing hundreds of thousands, the poverty-stricken nation has yet to recover. Buildings throughout Port-au-Prince crumbled and collapsed in less than a minute as the quake struck on January 12, 2010. Survivors ran screaming into the streets, bodies all around them, frantically searching for loved ones. More than 1 million people were suddenly homeless. Never in history has there been a day as terrible, says this survivor, haunted by the quake that left him without use of his legs. Sometimes I just sit and start crying. The quake compounding an already devastating situation in what the CIA World Factbook says is currently the poorest country in the Western Hemisphere, with close to 60% of the population living under the poverty line. Rubble has since been cleared from the streets and some buildings have been rebuilt. But on the 10th anniversary of the quake, damage is still clearly visible. An overwhelming amount of international aid poured into the country or was pledged in the wake of the disaster, but it appears to have vanished or never materialized. In its 10-year report on Haiti, medical aid group Doctors Without Borders says Haiti is no better off than it was before the earthquake. The NGO notes a real crisis today in accessing health care, with 60% of Haiti's healthcare system destroyed. One example, a decade after France and the U.S. promised to help the Haitian government build a new hospital near downtown Port-au-Prince, its doors have yet to open. Its construction marred by delays in bureaucracy and funding among the three countries. We all need it. It's been too long for us, says this man whose son was being treated in the current general hospital. But we know that this is because of the country's political problems. Doctors Without Borders says Haiti's medical system is once again on the brink of collapse amid an escalating political and economic crisis. Months of demonstrations calling for the resignation of Haiti's president have also crippled daily life.
Prime Minister Justin Trudeau issued a statement paying tribute to the resilience of the Haitian people and says Canada remains committed to our support for them. Many Haitians moved to Canada following the earthquake. For City News, I'm Caryn Ceolin.